right, so right now I'm at Isla Tropicale, right at the exit. There's no cruise ships into here today, so I took advantage to come here and show you how to find us when you book with us here at Real Deal. When you book with us and you come in Isla Tropicale, that means any Carnival ship and Celebrity or Holland America, you're gonna come off your ship and make your way over here. Your booking confirmation has a map, and that map is gonna lead you here. Once you exit here, then you start walking towards the taxi area. So I'm gonna show you today, so we'll be able to, so you can find us a little bit easier when you're coming with Real Deal Roatan Tours. If you don't want to walk up the hill towards your left, you could get a taxi right here for like $2, and that takes you over the hill. But the correct way, the walking way, is the way we're gonna do it right now. So follow me. Okay, so if you don't want to climb stairs, the best way is taking the taxi or going around the other side here walking. But this is the best route. But if you don't want to climb stairs, you're coming in a wheelchair, you take a $2 taxi ride and you meet us at the bottom of the hill. But let's go up the stairs. All right, so once you get here, you continue your walk down that gate. You pass that gate and you go all the way to the bottom. At the bottom of that hill is where all the tour guides are at with their signs screaming Real Deal, or 2K or MJ Tours. All the tour companies are right at the bottom of that hill.